Want to manage your students and classes online efficiently? Let me guide you to the best platform that makes it easy and effective. Search for Quizlet AI and open the website. Click Get Started to begin setting up your class. Sign up by continuing with Google. Select your email ID and click Continue to proceed. Next, enter your birthday and username. Select I'm a teacher and finalize your account setup. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions. Once your account is created, you can start building your class. Name your class, add your school's name, and click Create Class. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions. Your class is now ready. Quizlet offers several features such as materials, members, activities, and progress tracking. To manage your content, click Library to view uploaded materials like flashcards, practice tests, and solutions. To add new content, click Set and input all the necessary details, including titles, terms, definitions, diagrams, and images. During the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tricks and solutions. And that's it. Everything you need to manage your class is now organized in one place.